In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to projects in Grok AI. Uploading your own files lets Grok work with your documents, datasets, or notes right inside a project, so everything you need stays organized in one place. Here's how to do it from start to finish, clearly and confidently. Begin by opening your Grok account and landing on your main dashboard. Make sure you're in the workspace where you manage your projects so the options we'll use are visible. Next, go to your projects area and open it. This is where all of your work is grouped. Find the specific project you want to add files to and select it. Choosing the correct project is important because your files will attach only to the project you open. Inside the project, look for the section labeled Sources. Sources is the place where Grok pulls information from while working in your project. Within Sources, choose Personal Files. This is the location for files that you add yourself and want to keep tied to this project. Now, choose the Attach option. This opens the controls for adding content. From there, select Upload a file. Your computer's file picker will appear so you can navigate to the file you want. Browse to the correct folder, click on the file you need, and confirm your selection to start the upload. While the file is uploading, you may see a progress indicator. Keep the page open until the upload completes to avoid interruptions. If your file is large, give it a moment to finish. Once it's done, you'll see the file listed under Personal Files in the Sources section, which means it's available for use within the project. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Use clear, descriptive file names so it's easy to recognize what each file contains. Before uploading, check that your file is finalized to reduce the need to re-upload updates. If you're working with sensitive material, ensure the file belongs in this project and follows your organization's data policies. And if you need to add more than one item, simply repeat the same steps for each additional file. That's it. You've opened your account, navigated to a project, gone to Sources, chosen Personal Files, attached content, uploaded your file, and located it in the list. You're ready to put your documents to work inside Grok AI.